it seems that it's not so long ago we started the conference, and now unfortunately we have to already close the 7th International Symposium on Dielectric Materials and Applications. And this time the conference was hosted in collaboration by our Institute of Molecular Physics, Polish Academy of Sciences, and with colleagues from University of Adam Mickiewicz, and of course the foundation of the university. First, I would like to begin by thanking Ashur and of course Professor Mustafa Ait Ali for the collaboration, of course, collaboration of ISyDMA, of all ISyDMA committee, executive committee. Of course, I would like to thank at the beginning to Professor Zbigniew Trubuła, Director of Molecular Physics, Professor long of the Dielectric Division, of head of the division of the university, and of course for the talks, welcome talks, and all of the chairs for the leading a number of various sessions. I would like to thank the scientific committee and executive of ISyDMA conference. Special thanks to Adam Mickiewicz Foundation, University, to Agnieszka Brzozowska and Anton Kuliński, girls of our country. Thank you. Of course, we have to address our special thanks for support, financial support of the symposium to the Ministry of Education and Science of the Republic of Poland, to the mayor of the city of Poznań, Moroccan Society of Applied Physics, Moroccan Association for Advanced Materials, and Polish Academy of Sciences, and of course Polish Physical Society. Not last but not least, I would like to thank, of course, all my colleagues that were in the organizing committee for the wonderful work done to make the symposium, I think, pretty interesting. Especially the friends, Chairman Kłamie Andrzejewski and Professor Mateusz Kępiński, of course to Dr. Monika Jaśkiewska, Dr. Adam Ostrowski, and last but not least, Dr. Adam Hilcher for his yeoman jobs to keep this work in perfect.
Also thanks to Paweł Ławniczak, our secretary.
Thank you. I would like to thank also the men who you didn't know, but to our IT specialist from our institute, Paweł Leśniak, and his colleagues from his division. Maybe some small statistics before I pass the microphone to Professor Ashur. So at the end, the conference was attended by approximately 100 participants, and we had pleasure to listen to 11 invited talks and approximately 25 oral lectures and around 15 posters. Of course, we have to remember that we have all the young scientists, all the students, and not only students were visible on the young scientist session, so there was also 8 talks.